direction. I guess you and the Lord guiding on my mission. Who am I? An actor or musician? Dreaming all this years, finally the right decision. I can't